MasterChef might leave the Buccaneers after just spending one season at the club. So uSipho Mbule joined Orlando Pirates at the start of the season from Mamelodi Sundowns, and kule season lephelile-ke bedlalela yona-ke eSekokhona United on loan. So wadu-ke wambona lapho and he really liked the player. Wase wajoyina yona-ke Orlando Pirates, wacela-ke ukuthi management ayemsayinele-ke yena-ke uMbule. So uMbule uqale kahle-ke laphana kwi-Orlando Pirates because-ke waze warecognizwa nguye-ke uHugo Broos embiza-ke laphana kwiBafana Bafana. He even went with the national team to the AFCON, ofike wadlala-ke earlier this year. However, in the second half of the season, uMbule-ke bengasadlali mostly, behlala ibhentshini noma engabe ibikho-ke ngisho naku-match day squad. So lokho-ke sekuraise ama-questions whether he will be staying with Orlando Pirates in the upcoming season. So iDiski Times ikhulume nayo-ke agent yalo mdlali uMike Makaba, waveza-ke ukuthi the player actually signed a one-year contract with the Orlando Pirates with an option to extend for a further year. So Orlando Pirates has until Sunday to decide whether they will keep the player or ngeke-ke bayi-extend-ke i-contract yakhe. So wazi kahle-ke next week whether Mbule will be staying with Orlando Pirates or he will have to find a new team ahead of the new season.